Hey guys, it is JetRex103 here, and today I am doing a Let's Play on Overwatch. As you can see, this is the character that I'm going to be using today, which is Reaper. Yeah. Ooh, I have something new in Hero Gallery. Oh, enter Orisa. The security. Okay. Ooh, that's cool looking. I think I'm gonna click that. Oh, and sorry if you can hear stuff in the background, guys. I have some people over. I always like to check what's new in my hero gallery. Oh, guys, I want to show you something really cool that I have. So this is if I get play of the game with Winston. It's, excuse me, Jordan, look. Look at Winston. So, while this is working, guys, I'm just going to play my game for a bit. And I'll pause it for you. Hey, guys. Still waiting, but, yeah. Hey, guys, I finally found a match. Oh, wait. It's on match waiting. Dang it. Or is it's a teammate, Junkrat. Yeah, I'm not playing right now, guys. I'm just waiting for other players. I'll let you know when I am playing, so. Hey guys, it's JetRex103 and I am back. I had to pause the video. So. I chose Reaper, as you can see on the screen.
What?
Yeah, there's some people over, so you might hear some background noises. One second, guys. Okay. I'm sorry if you couldn't hear me before. It's because my headset wasn't plugged in. Sorry if you couldn't hear me before.
Man. Bro, you guys suck. Holy shit, how are you so bad at this game? Fuck, dude. Jesus, just run in and die. Like, just hold the fucking sticks for it.
I like to do this, guys. It's fun. No machine can work. Never, ever. Ooh, free solo. V8. Escape. Broken. Oh my gosh. Orisa! Yeah, I killed it on Orisa. How did a Junkrat kill me? I thought it was Bastion that killed me for a second.
What?
I think it would hit the wall harder if you jumped at it, or if you just raised the ring.
I have no idea. I mean, I would assume I don't know, jumping into it? So, I don't know.
Because when I see people do it, they like jump into it, but I don't think it's like
Maybe when you jump into it, you're trying to angle it.
Dang it, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna go for Bastion, guys.
There's a button you have to press. Oh no, you have to wait for it. There's like a truck that comes by.
Oh, we're so serious.
Press the button. It's so hard to move and stuff. Oh, that's what it is. Okay. Let's see if the little casual goes.
Dang it.
I like this one a lot better.
Dude, I don't know who that is, but don't answer it. Hello?
Huh? Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, I think... Yeah, it's not gonna go to overtime. Oh, it did go to overtime. Never mind, I stand corrected. I think they won this match. Nope. Thank you. That's what's good about Bastion, guys, is that he can heal himself. Yep. Oh, it's already defeat. Oh. One sec, guys, I'm gonna check something. After this. Okay, one sec, guys. Okay, guys. And that's gonna wrap up this episode. I hope you all enjoyed.